Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little DIY with some scrap wood I have. Okay, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Most of these materials I already had around the house. The only thing that I purchased was 3 bottles of paint for 50 cents each. First I started by cutting the wood in 3 equal pieces and sanding it. I think I'm going to use these 3. They are slightly different, but we're going to test them out, see how it goes. Pearl, light silver, and nickel. I chose 3 different colors for more of an ombre effect. Board number 2 is going to be light silver. Here I realized it was easier just to pour the paint on the wood and then paint. Second coat and to paint the sides. This is board number 2. I'm just painting the edges and then adding the second coat to the front. I'm going to let this dry overnight and then I'm going to put it together. Next, I'm going to paint these 2 pieces. These are going to be the pieces that hold my boards together. These are just leftover cabinet pieces that we found in the garage, and I cut them about 10 inches long. I'm going to paint them in the light color since they'll be in the back. This looks like it's going to need a couple of coats. You could also use 2 Home Depot paint stirrers or 2 wooden rulers from the dollar store. Okay, that's the first base coat. So the next step to this project is attaching these to the back of the boards. I thought about using hot glue because that would be probably a bit easier, but I'm not sure if that will be secure enough. I'm going I painted these, that these actually took 3 coats because it's so light. So I'm just gonna line these up. That one on there. Grab the other one. Put it about there. They don't have to be perfect because they are going to be on the back. So we have opted for a staple gun. Let's see how this goes. Okay, that works. So this really did not work. I ended up using wood glue and letting it dry overnight. Okay. This is the top. This is gonna be the bottom. So I think next I'm going to put this on here. I think I'm gonna put 2 there and 2 there. Here I measured to make sure the eye screws that I put in are kind of even, or at least in a straight line. Now these are all things that we had in the house. I did not want to go out and buy anything for this project. So, fence panels, an old fence panel. These back pieces were from cabinets. These screws we had. The only thing I purchased was the 3 different color paint, and I got those on clearance. Now we're gonna put this one. So next, I need to choose which string that I'm gonna use. I don't think I'm not sure about this one. Don't know about that one. It looks a little too fancy. This one may be too small, too thin. This one probably is about the same. Let's see. It's between these 3. Because they're going to hold these pegs. So let's see if these pegs work on this. Can we put this on here? Oh yeah, it could work. Yeah, it could totally work on this. Okay. For now, I'm gonna use this one. And because I'm only tying it on, I can change it at any point in time. So let's put this on here like this. we'll do one and see what it looks like. What I decided to do with the ends is just wrap them around and slide them back in the loop for the hole. I think they call these eyes. And there. Nice and tight. And here is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more low-cost DIY projects. Bye!